Hi everyone, Aleem here with themortgagespecialist.com. In today's Mortgage Minutes, we're going to go over the difference between the mortgage insurers. Now, there are actually three insurers. There's CMHC, which is the term that most people use when referring to mortgage insurance altogether. There's also Genworth and Canada Guarantee as well. At present, Canada Guarantee is only used by a handful of lenders. Now, why is this significant? Well, it's important to keep in mind because down the road, if you choose a lender that has Canada Guarantee right now, it may restrict you from being able to transfer lenders down the road if there's a better rate or anything involved upon renewal. So we'll be covering this in a little bit more detail in a future episode. But now, for the primary difference is CMHC is government owned, but Genworth and Canada Guarantee, for that matter, are both private. So this gives them a little bit more flexibility. But because CMHC is backed by the government, most lenders prefer to go with them by default. For those that aren't quite sure the purpose of mortgage insurance, well, it's there to protect the banks against any potential loss due to default on your part. The government actually has made it a requirement to have mortgage insurance when you get a mortgage and you're putting less than 20% down. So it's there for the protection of the bank's interests, but you have to pay the premium. As mentioned earlier, CMHC is backed by the government and it will cover 100% of any potential losses. Genworth and Canada Guarantee are more along the lines of 80-90% coverage. This is why every lender uses CMHC and not everyone will use Genworth or Canada Guarantee. So why is it important that we have options out there? Well, there's many reasons, but the one that will affect most of you is the unauthorized basement suites. These are very popular in the Lower Mainland. If you find a home that has a basement suite and it's unauthorized or illegal, then CMHC will not recognize the rental income you can earn from this rental suite towards your qualification. So if you need this income to qualify, then you're going to have to go to a lender that uses Genworth and even Canada Guarantee because they will allow this. Now, is it always going to be the case that Genworth is better? Well, absolutely not. CMHC is great for the majority of the transactions, but having other options out there, it really keeps CMHC in check. It creates a healthy level of competition in an area where you really don't want to have any one particular company or entity have a monopoly. Now, the others, CMHC, are Genworth and Canada Guarantee, they compensate by not being backed by the government by providing a little bit more flexibility and the ability to do those deals that wouldn't otherwise get done because of the government band-aids, but make absolute sense when it comes to being on paper with the lender, etc. There are a few other advantages going with Genworth, which I've discussed in another video titled, What is CMHC? Feel free to check it out, or even better, give me a call if you'd like more details. For themortgagespecialist.com, I'm Aleem Peermohamed. Thank you again for watching. Have a wonderful day.